Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to do our first ever beef ribeye on our Pit Boss. I'm excited to try this. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so this is our 100% grass-fed beef ribeye that we got from Butcher Shop. So far I've done the ground beef that they send that's also 100% grass-fed, and their beef tastes really good, good quality. So here I got a beef ribeye that they sent us. So the rub of choice today is going to be the Holy Cow The Barbecue Rub. This is from Holy Cow's products. This is my favorite, hands down, from Meat Church. Now our beef, you can add some kind of vegetable oil as a binder, but the beef is real moist, so I don't need to use a binder. I'm just going to go ahead and do it without it. So let's go ahead and add our Holy Cow, and we're going to add, if you guys haven't tried the Holy Cow barbecue rub, it's one of the best rubs. I mean, the flavor is amazing. So we're going to do both sides the same way, and we're going to do all around the steak. It's going to be nothing but flavor. We're also going to be using our temp spike plus to monitor our temperature from inside. They're still having the sale. They haven't put it down yet, so 50% off. Might as well go check it out. There'll be links in the description for anything that you see in this channel. So today we're going to be running our Pit Boss at 250 degrees. We're going to let it roll for about 120 internal degrees, and then we're going to sear it. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our Pit Boss is up to temp 250 degrees. We'll be back. All right, our meat is 120 internal. Put it in here. I'm going to turn up our Pit Boss to 500 degrees. All right, our Pit Boss is at 500 degrees. Let it go. Go ahead and open the grates. We're going to cook it for a minute each side. All right, we're ready to take it out. Welcome back, guys. So before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, we're ready, and this smells great. It smells delicious. I am ready to give this a cut. We're gonna go right in the middle and see how good we did. Oh, look at that. Juices, 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 juices. Man, look at that. And here we have a nice juicy steak. It's perfect. That is amazing. Look at all those juices. This is perfect. But man, this is delicious. Tell you, 100% grass-fed beef. This is quality beef from Butcher Shop. Make sure you guys check out those links for the Pit Boss, the steaks, anything we use here. But look at that. That looks delicious. Make sure you hit that I like, that subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.